Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to look at converting a Mini Mag Lite. This is a 2AA battery Mag Lite. We're going to remove the halogen bulb and install an LED light unit. Let's do that now. Take that off. Lots of bits everywhere. So this one's a non-worker as it is. It looks like the bulb has gone. We can actually let's get a couple of new batteries. I'm not sure those batteries are any good. We'll pop those in. That way we know we've got the LED bulb in the right way around. Because it's an LED, it is polarized, unlike the bulb we took out. I've got two holes in there, two pins on the LED. Line that up, pop that in. Right, first time. Let's get this back together. Let's give some of the lens and that a bit of a clean up. Get it all nice and clean because it's not going to be apart for a little while. Let's pop this back together in here and then we can screw that top back on. And there we have one much brighter and more efficient Mini Mag Lite. That's it. That's all I've got for you. Thank you for watching. You all take care.